Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust xenon headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface, facing a wall about 25 feet away. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full. This preparation ensures accurate measurements. You will need a screwdriver, a tape measure, and some masking tape to mark your reference points on the wall. Let's get started with the setup. Before making any adjustments, park your car 25 feet from a wall. Measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs. Mark this height on the wall with a horizontal line. Then, mark a vertical line on the wall directly in front of each headlight center. These lines will serve as your aiming points, guiding your adjustments for optimal beam placement. Now, locate the adjustment screws on your headlight assembly. There are typically 2 screws per headlight, one for horizontal and one for vertical adjustment. Using a screwdriver, turn the vertical adjustment screw to lower the beam pattern so the top of the brightest part of the beam is about 2 to 3 inches below your horizontal reference line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw so the beam is slightly to the right of the vertical line. After adjusting both headlights, double-check that they are symmetrical and properly aimed. Take your vehicle for a test drive on a dark, level road to ensure the beams provide adequate visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Remember, proper headlight alignment is crucial for your safety and the safety of others. If you encounter any difficulties or feel uncertain, it is always best to consult a professional mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.